Let's start off this bulletin with breaking news that's coming in. Amit Shah has fired an attack on the Gandhis on the occasion of the anniversary of the emergency that was imposed by Indira Gandhi in 1975. Amit Shah put out, in fact, a series of tweets, even saying, and I quote, "During the recent CWC meet, senior members and younger members raised a few issues, but they were shouted down. A party spokesperson was unceremoniously sacked. The sad truth is leaders are feeling suffocated in Congress. On this day, 45 years ago, one family's greed for power led to the imposition of the emergency." So this is what Amit Shah has said. He's in fact gone on to also say overnight the nation was turned into a prison. As one of India's opposition parties, Congress needs to ask itself, why does the emergency mindset remain? Amit Shah putting out a series of tweets here to go ahead and question the Congress, and also firing a dynasty jibe, saying why are leaders who don't belong to one dynasty unable to speak up? So he's referring to the internal affairs in the Congress to question the party, and also drawing a reference to what's happening in the Congress to the fact that emergency was imposed 45 years ago by Indira Gandhi on this day. Rahul Srivastava is joining us live with more details on this. Rahul, interestingly, Amit Shah, while tweeting with regards to the imposition of emergency 45 years ago, has drawn a parallel to what's happening within the Congress right now.
Akshita, there is a bit of a turmoil inside the Congress. If you notice over the last few days, at least 10 days, I will say, that there has been a tweet a day in which Rahul Gandhi has been single-mindedly attacking the Prime Minister over the China issue. He has called him somebody who surrenders. He has attacked the Prime Minister that he is wasting the sacrifice of soldiers. He has also said that Prime Minister is speaking the same language and giving the same facts as the Chinese. These are all personal attacks. Yes, there is a situation in which the Congress feels that it should attack the Prime Minister and the government. But yes, Amit Shah has raised emergency. This is one of the pet bogies for the BJP, or pet weapon for the BJP, to attack the Congress party annually on two elements. One is the imposition of emergency and the dynasty element as far as the Congress is concerned. Now, the trigger here is the Congress Working Committee, in which sources are saying there was an attempt by the new guard, which is called Team Rahul, to attack the old guard. Perhaps it is also being said by senior Congress leaders that it is perhaps the beginning of the return of Rahul Gandhi as the Congress president. And in that scenario, what transpired in the Congress Working Committee has given political fodder to the BJP to attack the Congress, that it is whatever is happening is the result of a dynastic system of rule in the country. And it is perhaps the emergency, the 45th anniversary of emergency, is the platform on which the Congress BJP thinks, and Amit Shah, the senior BJP leader, who's still the main strategist for the Congress,
yes,
for the BJP to attack the Congress, while Rahul Gandhi is emerging as a de facto leader again.
So clearly there's a lot of turmoil within the Congress, and Amit Shah referring to that by also mentioning the fact that it is this day, the 45 years ago emergency was imposed in the country. Rahul, thank you for joining us.